If you've forgotten your Netflix password and you want to recover it, here's a simple guide on how to do that. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find password in Netflix. So the first thing to do is open your browser and go to Netflix. On the sign in page, click on the need help link. Once you do that, you can now choose to recover your password via email or text message, which is SMS. Select the option that works best for you. Once you do that, enter the email address or phone number associated with your Netflix account. Now, Netflix will send you an email or text message with instruction on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided to create a new password, and that is how you can find the password in Netflix or recover your lost Netflix password. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.